I learned a hard lesson about the stock market when I was about 12 years old, and investing in general. The year is 1999. The dot-com bubble hasn't burst yet. The stock market's booming. Everyone's swimming in cash. My father, when he would get home from work every day, he would throw his spare change and was basically a giant hollowed out crayon that doubled as a piggy bank. Big giant hollowed out yellow crayon. And after a few years of doing that, it amounted to about $800. And I was like, this is awesome. I have $800. Let's put it in the bank. My dad says, no, the stock market's doing actually really well right now. Why don't we consider investing this? I didn't know what the hell investing was, but he told me basically you can turn the money you have into more money. And I was like, oh, sweet. Sounds great. I researched a lot of companies, and I saw a company called Lucent Technologies on a commercial for an NFL football game. And I was like, well, what about this one? They seem to be doing really well. He's like, yeah, we can put some money in that, but, it might be wise to, spread it around a little bit, not put all of our eggs in one basket. I was like, nah, this thing's gone from $15 to $57 in the last couple years. It's probably going to keep going up. Internet's all the rage. Let's keep going with this. He said, all right, it's your money. It's up to you. Lo and behold, 2001 rolls around, and for those of you that were around then, I think you remember the dot-com bubble burst. All the big internet companies tanked. Lucent went from $57 when I first bought it to about $2 within a year or two. So basically, all my money was gone. And when you're 12 years old, 13 years old, $800 is a lot of damn money. So the lesson I learned was investing all of your money in one stock, no matter how great it sounds, or whether it's Bitcoin, or whether it's Ethereum, whatever asset you want to consider, spread it around a little bit. Spread it around a little bit. Putting all your eggs into one basket sets yourself up to be crushed if something bad happens to that stock or that company.